Hi, so this video is to show off how terrible this company is. I want to put it on YouTube so others can learn from the hard lessons that the advice that I ignored from others. So let's go to see what they're doing. So the latest ticket I just got from my vendor, DCN Host. Okay, so let's start at the beginning of this awesome ticket history. How far back does it go? Hey, when I reinstall Debbie 9, the VPS stops and it doesn't boot. Can I get it switched out with another VPS with a new IP? There's no data to lose, so you can make the change immediately. Here's the IP of the node that I have, and here's a screenshot of it. So let's bring up that screenshot, make sure I sent them exactly what they need to see. Bring that up. Yeah, here it is. So it's offline. I just rebooted it, right? I reinstalled it, and it doesn't come up. It stays offline. That's why I sent them the note. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Just give me another VPS, right? Sent them that ticket. So let's see. That was a May 14th. Today's May 16th, by the way. May 14th at 7:05. At 2 hours later, please be informed that we're checking your issue, and we'll just check back. All right, a little weird that it took 2 hours to let me know that they're going to look into it. But you know, I'm okay. So Yasina did that. That's great. 2 hours later. So where are we? All right, 10 minutes later. Thanks for your patience. As per checking your VPS is working fine, please check with it. So then all they did was ping it, and then they SSH to it, and it gave them the prompt for the security key. So I went ahead and did that. I responded pretty quickly in 10 minutes. And I said, and I recorded it with no audio. It still doesn't work. Please change to a new IP. KVM would work. You know, just give me another one. It's not that big of a deal. It's still not working. 9:32. Okay, 2 hours later. Our side is working properly. Properly working, check your end. Okay, this time I did include audio, so I got a little bit upset about it. I sent them a private video. I didn't publicly post it on YouTube, but I made it a private, unlisted video. Can I just get my money back, guys? This is such a huge waste of time. Remember, we're bickering over a $2 a month VPS. It's $2 a month. I prepaid, what is it, 25 bucks for the year. This is such a huge waste of time. Or destroy the instance and create a new one with a new IP, like I originally asked. It's not that big of a deal. Just destroy the node and create a new one. Destroy the instance and create a new one? Yeah, sure, kindly provide the IP. We will recreate it from your end. All right, so that was at 13:40, it's an hour later. Now if I scroll back down, the IP is right there. So we've kind of gone around in a loop here. So that's a little bit frustrating. Okay, destroy it. And I said shortly afterwards, within what, 20 minutes, can I please get my card refunded for the remaining amount of this node? Because this is just ridiculous, right? You're wasting my time. The node to decommission is on the IP right there. Please credit the card on file. I'm tired of wasting time on this. It's not that big of a deal, guys. Okay, 13:56. 2 hours go by, almost 2 hours. In bold, if you reinstall the server will go offline due to the server getting reinstalled. Wait for 10 to 15 mins. The server will come to online, and also make sure note the password. All right, that's great. So you know what? It's like, you know what? Maybe I just haven't been waiting long enough, because if I go into the login, let's go into it. So no, there it is. I've labeled it unusable. So if I click reinstall, maybe I'm not waiting long enough. Because I wait maybe 5 minutes or 8 minutes for it to rebuild and come back up. I think that's pretty reasonable. So I started waiting 20 minutes. And so I go back into the ticket. So as instructed, I waited. I did this twice. I waited around 20 plus minutes after initiating the reinstall command. In both cases, I got the same error during apt-get. So gee whiz, you know what? It did actually come up. She was right. Couldn't tell me that earlier though. We had to go, we've already wasted how much time? We're already a day later. This is on the next day. So let's go ahead and look at that message. So here's what I get. So when I The node comes up, the VPS comes up. Again, it's a $2 a month VPS. How much time have I wasted on this so far? So I just run apt-get just to update the OS. I got some package errors at the OS level. I don't care. Yeah, I could do research on trying to figure this out. I shouldn't have to. You go to DigitalOcean, you go to Linode, you go to Vultr, you go to anywhere else, you never see stuff like this because they're professional outfits. But this one, no, they want to screw around with me. All right, so that's at 2000 hours. 2 hours later, please be informed that we're checking your issue further and shall get back to you soon. All right, this is good. Well, these guys are top qual. Here we go. 2 hours later. So, it's a little while later. So some time has passed. Kindly provide the exact VPS IP and login details. We'll check further on it. Well, the IP is down below. You already know it. Also, you know that I'm trying to reinstall, so why do the login details even matter? Just reinstall. You know it's not working. You saw the screen grab. Maybe they didn't even look at the screen grab. Okay, here's the root. There's the root password. Go ahead and log in. As per your check, the VPS is working fine from our end. Kindly let us know the exact issue you're having. So that's what I just got. Now it's the 16th. It's 2 days now, and we are literally back at the beginning of the cycle. So we're going to respond with, can I just get a new VPS instead of trying to fix this one? The picture attached in this ticket thread, it's ridiculous, shows the error. Exclamation point, because yeah. And you know what, I'm going to select all here and hit copy, because in the time that I've recorded this video, I wonder if I'll get logged out, because it likes to do that every once in a while. You'll write your whole ticket, you'll hit submit, and the session will time out in the browser, and then you'll have to log back in and retype the whole thing, because this user interface program that DCN Host is using is awful. Okay, so can I just get a new so we're literally back at square one. It's 16 at 1:05 in the afternoon. We were on the 14th at 7 in the morning. Asking, so it's over 2 days now, literally asking the exact same question. I just need a new VPS with a new IP. I'm not asking for anything new, just shut down the old instance, fire up a new one. If I was on Linode, it's literally a few seconds to destroy the node. While I'm simultaneously waiting for the node to be destroyed, I could be spawning up a new node of the same size in 2 tabs in my browser. It's just a few seconds, but we're already over 48 hours wasted on a $2 a month node. So lessons in terrible customer service. Let's save this to YouTube and let's see how far this goes even further. All right, while editing the video, I got a response to my ticket. So let's go and look at it. It says answered. All right, can't show. Can I just get my new VPS? Response. Kindly let us know what you are trying to use. What the hell does that mean? Trying to use Debian 9 on my 2 GB VPS. Can I get a new instance? You can shut down, actually you can destroy the old one. All right, let's see how far we go with this one. I guess that's